Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best car fuel injector cleaners of 2026, best engine cleaning additives and cleaning kits. Whether you're dealing with rough idling, poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, or simply want to maintain your vehicle's engine performance, keeping your fuel injectors clean is one of the best ways to ensure smooth and efficient operation. Today's top fuel injector cleaning tools and kits are designed to remove carbon deposits, improve fuel atomization, restore engine performance, reduce emissions, and extend injector life. From professional injector cleaning machines to DIY cleaning kits, these products help keep your fuel system running at its best. In this guide, we'll explore the best car fuel injector cleaners available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's keep your engine running like new. Starting off with the Additives Fuel Injector Cleaner. This professional-grade cleaning tool is designed to help restore injector performance without requiring expensive workshop visits. Compatible with many gasoline engine vehicles, it allows users to clean fuel injectors by flushing away accumulated carbon deposits, varnish, and other contaminants that can reduce engine efficiency over time. The durable construction and high-quality hoses provide dependable operation during cleaning procedures, while the user-friendly design makes setup relatively straightforward for experienced DIY mechanics. Regular injector cleaning can contribute to smoother engine operation, improved throttle response, more consistent idling, and better fuel efficiency. Many users appreciate its solid construction, reliable performance, and compatibility with a wide variety of vehicle models. Next up is the Kysel Car Fuel Injector Cleaner, a versatile fuel system cleaning kit designed for drivers who want to maintain injector performance while reducing engine deposits. Built using durable materials, this cleaning kit works with many gasoline-powered vehicles and helps remove carbon buildup that may affect spray patterns and fuel delivery. Its practical design allows convenient connection to compatible fuel systems, making routine maintenance more accessible for experienced users. By helping restore proper fuel flow, the cleaner may contribute to smoother acceleration, improved combustion efficiency, reduced engine hesitation, and more stable idle performance. The included accessories increase compatibility across various engine configurations, making it suitable for a broad range of vehicles. Users often praise its dependable construction, straightforward operation, and effectiveness as part of routine fuel system maintenance. Moving on, the Injector Car Fuel Injector Cleaner provides another reliable solution for cleaning and maintaining vehicle fuel injectors. Designed for both home mechanics and automotive enthusiasts, this kit helps remove stubborn deposits that naturally develop inside injectors after extended driving. Cleaner injectors allow fuel to atomize more efficiently inside the combustion chamber, supporting smoother engine performance and more consistent power delivery. The kit features durable hoses, quality connectors, and a sturdy container designed for repeated use over many maintenance sessions. Its broad compatibility makes it useful for servicing a variety of gasoline-powered engines, while the organized components simplify storage between uses. Many users appreciate the kit's ease of operation, dependable construction, and ability to help maintain long-term engine performance. Whether performing preventative maintenance or addressing minor injector contamination, the Injector Car Fuel Injector Cleaner provides an effective solution for keeping the fuel system operating efficiently. The Additives Fuel Injector Cleaner Tester Machine takes fuel system maintenance to a professional level by combining both injector cleaning and performance testing into a single advanced machine. Rather than simply cleaning injectors, this unit allows users to evaluate injector spray patterns, leakage, flow consistency, and overall operating condition before and after cleaning. Multiple testing functions make it suitable for diagnosing injector-related performance issues, helping users identify clogged or malfunctioning injectors more accurately. Its digital controls and organized testing platform simplify operation while delivering repeatable results suitable for workshops, repair garages, and serious automotive enthusiasts. The cleaning function effectively removes carbon deposits and contaminants while helping restore injector performance. Many professional users appreciate its comprehensive testing capabilities, durable construction, and ability to service multiple injectors efficiently. Finally, the QZTYTY 4PCS Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit. earns the top spot as our favorite fuel injector cleaning solution for 2026 thanks to its outstanding combination of versatility, affordability, ease of use, and broad compatibility. This complete cleaning kit includes multiple adapters and accessories that make it suitable for servicing a wide variety of gasoline-powered vehicles. Designed for convenient injector maintenance, it helps remove carbon deposits and fuel residue that can negatively affect injector spray patterns and engine efficiency over time. The durable construction ensures long-term reliability during repeated maintenance sessions, while the compact design allows easy storage in a garage or workshop. The included accessories increase compatibility with numerous fuel systems, making the kit useful for both personal vehicle maintenance and servicing multiple vehicles. Users consistently praise its practical design, dependable performance, excellent value, and straightforward operation. All of these fuel injector cleaning products offer valuable benefits depending on your maintenance needs. The Additives Fuel Injector Cleaner provides dependable injector cleaning for regular maintenance. The Kaizel Car Fuel Injector Cleaner delivers versatile compatibility and reliable cleaning performance. The Linkcino Car Fuel Injector Cleaner offers an effective solution for maintaining injector efficiency over time. The Additives Fuel Injector Cleaner Tester Machine combines advanced diagnostics with professional cleaning capabilities, while the QZTYTY4 PCS Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its complete accessory package, wide compatibility, ease of use, and excellent value. When choosing a fuel injector cleaning solution, it's important to consider vehicle compatibility, included adapters, cleaning performance, ease of operation, durability, portability, diagnostic features, reusable components, overall build quality, and long-term maintenance value. Regular fuel injector maintenance can help support smoother engine operation, better fuel efficiency, improved throttle response, and more consistent overall vehicle performance. That wraps up our top 5 best car fuel injector cleaners of 2026, best engine cleaning additives and cleaning kits. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or simply want to keep your vehicle running at its best, there's a fuel injector cleaning solution on this list to match your maintenance needs. Let us know in the comments which product you'd choose, or if you've already used one of these injector cleaning tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and maintenance guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your engine performing at its best for years to come.